Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we have bourbon chicken. So this takes us back to going grocery shopping, mall shopping with the kids, and we'd stop at Mickey D's and get them chicken nuggets and little Happy Meals and say, we're not gonna eat anything at the mall. We're not gonna eat anything at the mall. And we go by the mall and they'd come by with the little sticks and say, little sample, little sample.
Yeah.
And Triple M would fall in the trap and say, oh, we gotta get some bourbon chicken. And now the kids all gotta get, I try to do the smart way. No, it never worked out. So we're gonna make our version of bourbon chicken. And we had to get
Bourbon whiskey.
because I don't drink bourbon. But in the bar, we did have bourbon. So
Yeah.
I bought this just for the thumbnail. So what do we need for this masterpiece? I got 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I got a shot of bourbon whiskey, half a cup of hoisin sauce, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar. I got 4 cloves of garlic crushed, 2 tablespoons of butter, SVG, some total seasoning that we're gonna need for seasoning the chicken because nothing's worse than unseasoned chicken. So I'll get this ready, and this should be fast. I always say that. So I'm gonna get my chicken into this bowl here, and to this I'm going to add avocado oil, some SPG, and some total seasoning. I'm going to use my very clean hands and mix this all up and get every crease and crevice of this coated with that avocado oil and the seasonings, and we're gonna begin to brown it off in our griddle pan here in a sec. Can you see that?
Yeah.
All right, off we go. Wash my hands. My cast iron griddle here has been preheating this entire time as we got set up, so it should be nice and toasty. I'm going to coat it with some pan. I even said, if it gets smoky, get smoky. What are you gonna do? And I'm gonna put this on here. My goal is to go, I don't know, at least 3 minutes aside. I'm after the charring. You guys know what I'm talking about, the bourbon chicken. I'm after the charring. So I'll probably have to do some batches to get them all in here, or maybe I'll get them all put in here. There you go. I'll show you when I get the color right after, 3 minutes from now. I've been going, 4 minutes? This is the color I'm after. Nice little char, can you see that? So I'm gonna get these tossed, get the other pieces some color, and we'll be back for our next steps. So, it's smoky in the kitchen, but we do have the color we're after. You guys can see the little char marks. For those wondering at home, I did just probe it. They're all over 160. So I'm gonna let it rest. They'll get over 165 and they'll be good. I'm still gonna cook them in the sauce, but the chicken, for right now, is done. I'll get cleaned up here and we'll get set up for the next steps. Time for the sauce. I got my pan that's been preheating this entire time. I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter, get that melted. And to that, I'm gonna add in those crushed cloves of garlic. We'll let that simmer for a few minutes. It's over medium heat, for those wondering at home. Once our butter is melted, garlic's going, it smells fragrant. Add in our shot of
Bourbon.
Obviously, I'm gonna cook off all the alcohol. It's not gonna be bourbony, but we want the bourbon flavor. To which, that's what you call cleaning up your nasal cavities. To which I'm gonna add in all the rest of the stuff, which is the half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of hoisin sauce. That's thick, so I'll get a spatula, get the rest of that out. And the brown sugar. I'm gonna get that all ooey gooey and lovely in here. And once it's all incorporated and the brown sugar is incorporated in the sauce, we'll add in our chicken.
Well, it smells good.
Did you like that bourbon in there?
Mm-hmm. Smells good. I like it a lot.
All right, while this simmers, I'll get my chicken diced up. Chicken sliced. So how they have it at the restaurant. Like that.
Yeah.
So taking my chicken. You guys see my sauce percolating, right? Mm-hmm. And get my chicken in the sauce. I'm gonna let that go for a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes, just so I can make sure that the chicken soaks up the sauce incorporates the chicken and gets ooey and gooey. Drop the heat to low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. How's it smell?
Good. Delicious.
Be right back, guys. Are we ready?
I can wait.
So we got cilantro lime rice. I'll grab a few pieces of chicken. And just like they used to do, take some sauce, right?
Salsa.
How's that?
Good.
Like I always forget, guys. We all know what I always forget. Can I taste?
Yes.
Have I tasted this yet?
No, I did.
I haven't. So here we go. Bourbon chicken at Michael's Kitchen.
Good. Good. I love that one.
That is exactly like the
And so that was
Was
2 minutes so quick.
three freaking ingredients. And we had bourbon.
Like 20 minutes? I know that one, no?
If you guys like the video,
Like
the video. Comment down below if there's anything you want to try or make, and subscribe for more. That said,
A buen tiempo.
see you guys next Friday. Stay out of trouble.
That's good. Now I can go try it. Go try it.